Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the dollar bead box for December of 2024. In case you're wondering where I've been, my last video was October 18th and today is December 7th. My father ended up passing away. I ended up being up in Chicago for almost a month. My sister and I lived in a hotel for 21 days during that horrible time. And so I just kind of took a break. I really didn't feel like making videos and, you know, doing stuff. But I came back in my bead room last week and started working on stuff. And so I wanted to get started again. So, yeah, so that's where I've been this whole time. So I didn't do any unboxings last month. I have all of them and I didn't undo them. And I might work with them at some point in 2025, you know, pull them out and just kind of use them for other projects. But so I just wanted to let you know that. So here is the dollar bead box, and just so you know, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave the coupon code below in the description. So this says, celebrate the end of the year and the dawn of the next with elegant beaded designs. Mix and match striking black beads with gold, silver, vibrant colors for endless possibilities. Okay. So I also get the check polish bag. It's 8 strands for $8. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at these. These are pretty. And then we also get, ooh, got some goodies in here too. Let me move this aside. It's been a hot minute since I've done any videos, so I might be kind of out of it. You know, when I was doing 3 or 4 a week, I was a little more, you know, in the groove. So, oh, these are really pretty. Okay, so let's start with these. So you get 8 strands for $8. So you get 3 3mm strands and 4 3mm strands and 4 3mm strands. So I'm just separating them by the size. I'm not sure which one's going to be which. So these are the 3mm strands. Let me kind of put them all up like this. Look at how pretty these are. Look at how pretty those are. Whew. So one is a crystal blue zerit. The other one is a bronze iris or matte bronze iris. The other one is a rainbow bronze iris. And the other one is jet AB or matte jet 8B. So yeah, so we have these 4. And then these are the 4mm strands. And if I'm not mistaken, there's 50 beads on each strand. That's a lot of beads. I mean, when you think about it, that's a bracelet for $1. So, and here are the 4mm strands. Look at how pretty these are. So these are a jet with brown flare, metallic bronze iris or matte bronze iris, matte hematite, and matte jet Maria or matte jet vitriol. So look at all of these. You think of all these little things you can use. I use these a lot. I just got done making, I think this was it. This was just a little necklace I'd been working on. And I was using some of the stuff from the dollar bead box in here. I forgot when it was. I got the little flowers from them and stuff like that. So there's just a few things I've been working on. So I do use the little fire polish beads. I use them so much when I'm working. So let me get all of this stuff set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the 6mm check fire polish jet half silver or jet light vitriol 25 piece. These are so pretty. Look at that. Look at that sparkle on them. Oh, so gorgeous. Love, love, love these. Next, these are really cool. These have a really unique little shape to them. These are the 4mm check glass English cut matte silver, 25 pieces. These have got a really pretty look to them. And next is the 4mm check glass rondelle hematite or jet AB. And there's 35 pieces on this. These make great spacers when you're working with your jewelry because they're tiny and they have a nice little, you know, they're not as round. They're just like a little, you could slip them right in. This next one is 4mm check glass cubes in jet, 35 pieces. Really pretty. And their holes are really good on their beads. There we got those. And next, these are fun to work with. 6mm check glass lentil hematite or 2-hole opaque white luster. So we got the opaque white luster, and there's 35 pieces in there. So there's 2 holes on each one. And next is the 5x15mm check glass large hole Celtic block ancient black. There's 8 pieces in this. These are fun. Love these. Okay, so that's it for the strands. And now we're getting to these beads. This is a freshwater stick pearl. It says the size varies, white or silver, 1 piece. Oh yeah, this is really, it's cool. A different look to it. And the holes in the top. We got that. Next is 8mm check fire polish crystal bronze, 8 pieces. These are so pretty. Look at all the different striations in these. I love these kind of beads. So much fun to work with. And next is the 18mm check glass freeform triangle in matte jet, 1 piece. So this is cool. It's kind of like this one. This was another one from them that I used for something. No, that had the blue on it. But this, yeah, holes right there. And next is 12mm check glass asterisk flowers and hematite. There's 4 pieces. And these are fun. And actually, yeah, they gave us, I did that with them when I made this. That was a box from about 4 months ago. I just have it sitting here. So there's 1 hole on the top. Very pretty. Next are 5x13mm check glass spikes, beads, hematite. There's 10 pieces. And the hole is up there on the top, as you can see. So these are fun to use for like necklaces. Like you can do like, have a little dagger necklace with them hanging at the bottom. And next is 7x16mm check glass 2-hole crescent beads and hematite, 6 pieces. So see how it's got the curve. And then it's got the 2 holes. So these are fun to work with. So we have that. And next is the 12x22mm check glass acid etched oval volcano in volcano, 1 piece. So this is fun. This is kind of like the other one that I had. Because when you use this, like if you use this for a pendant, look at that. Look at all that color in there. You can get it from the side even too. how pretty that is. Oh, love, love, love. Okay, and next is 8x8mm check glass hearts in matte jet AB, 10 pieces. So one side is jet, and the other side has got the AB on it. And they're pretty little hearts. Okay. And next is 10x14mm black agate oval. There's 2 pieces. These are pretty. Oh, these are really pretty. These would be nice for a pair of dangle earrings for a gift for the holidays. And next is 5x7mm check glass star cut. Check star cut rectangle in jet, 12 pieces. And the hole is right in the middle there. Look how pretty those are. They're like the cut on them, it's like a table cut. So pretty the way they're cut. And they have such a sparkle to them. And then I have a 15mm check glass tabular square jet peacock, 1 piece. And the hole goes through the corners right there. So you can kind of see. It's so pretty. Okay, and last but not least, we have the 6x10 check glass drop crystal Maria acid wash or gold acid wash. And I think these are the gold acid wash, 12 pieces. And they have a hole goes through the top like that. So it's like a drop bead. Well, so yeah, so you have these. And it's kind of the same like with the daggers. So this is it for the December bead box. So look at all of this fun stuff we get here. So like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. And stay tuned because I am going to be doing a lot of videos this month. It took me a while. I cried and cried and cried and missed my dad a lot, but he wouldn't want me to not be doing what I love. And I'm getting my creativity back slowly but surely. So have patience with me. I promise you, and 2025 is going to be a really good year. And also my future daughter-in-law, Kaya, her cancer has not returned. We had a little scare there on top of it. She thought she felt a lump, but she's all good. So, yes. So, sorry to be a downer on this video, but yes, so stay tuned. I have lots more of these videos coming up, and I thank everybody for watching, and all of my information is below in the description, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.